I can't avoid it any longer. I have to tackle the backyard. Wish me luck. After removing all of that mulch, the ground just seemed so compacted, so I pulled out the Toro cultivator. My plan is to prep this area for seeding, and the cultivator did an excellent job of loosening the soil and breaking it up. I will tell you one thing, my biceps got a serious workout. Since the lateral spread fescue has done such a great job in my backyard, that is what I plan to put down once this area is completely prepped. My kids told me they want the backyard to look like this again, and that's a pretty tall order. But Mama's gonna do her best. I probably could have added more topsoil, but I actually only put about 1/4 inch of topsoil over this area. I used the good old cheap topsoil, but I will be spraying tenacity on this for weed prevention. Okay, so far so good. You can see in comparison how much better the prepped area looks versus this area that has not been touched yet. Next, I'm going to go ahead and throw some soil amendments on top. Sea hume for the kelp and humic, and some cider grow to stimulate root growth. My irrigation is still off, so it's time to do some hand watering. I actually enjoy hand watering, and it gives me a chance to test out this new Vortex nozzle from Melnor. I fell in love with this watering pattern. It's pretty cool. 1 area down and 3 more to go. Nothing is ever set in stone, and due to the super wet conditions in this particular area and the dogs constantly getting muddy, the plan has changed. I have never installed sod, but I hopped onto YouTube, watched a few videos, and away I went. One of the most important things was making sure I staggered the sod. Handling the rolls of sod was no joke, so I did get a little bit of help along the way. Bit of an update. Plans changed a little bit. I was going to seed this whole area back here, but I've changed my mind. Obviously, as you can see, I put sod down here instead. And that's because that area over there in the back is so wet and the dogs are out here all the time. We just needed something right now. And then if you look over at this area right here, I am going to go ahead and seed that area. I'm still going to do the bare dirt seeding, but just on this little area back here in the back. And let's turn you around here. We've also decided to go ahead and put sod over here as well. So just making my life a little bit easier here. I think it's going to still turn out great, and I will keep you guys updated. All that's left to do now is to keep this good sod watered and bring it to life. And a little side note here, if you are in the market for a new nozzle for your hose, I highly recommend this Melnor Vortex 6 pattern nozzle. It's pretty cool.